In today's video, I'll teach you how to add payment method on Facebook page. So first of all, open the Facebook. You can see over here, Facebook has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your page. So what you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. After you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, settings and privacy, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, settings. After you do that, you'll be led to the settings and privacy interface. What you have to do is scroll down. Over here, you'll be able to find this section for payments. What you have to do is tap on this option, adds payments, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the billing and payments interface. You'll be able to see your payment account over here. So if you want to add the payment method, tap on this option, add payment method, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is select the business location and currency. Likewise, you'll also have to select the business and tax info over here. So tap on the edit option right next to the option for business location and currency. Now what you have to do is simply select the country or region over here. Tap on the field of country or region and you'll be able to select it. You can also search for the country or region over here. Now after you do that, what you have to do is select the currency and set the time zone. Now tap on this option next, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the payment information will be edited. Likewise, edit the business and tax info if you want. You'll also have to select the payment method. You'll be able to find two options, debit or credit card, PayPal. Tap on the option of your choice. Here I've selected the option for debit or credit card. Now after you do that, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to enter the card details over here. So first of all, tap on the field of name on card. Now what you have to do is enter the name on card over here. Likewise, enter the card number. Make sure to enter the correct card number. Now you'll also have to enter the expiry date over here. First of all, enter the month. After you do that, enter the year. Now also enter the CVV. Now after you do that, you'll also have to enter the zip code over here. Now after you provide all these information, tap on the save option that you can see on the screen. Follow through the prompts. You might also have to confirm some information in order to prove this is your debit or credit card. Now after you do that, the payment method will be added. So that is how you add payment method on Facebook page. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.